Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this bold and dramatic cut crease makeup look. This is my second attempt with cut crease, and it is really easy to do cut crease makeup. So if you are a beginner, this video will definitely help you learn. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Before that, do not forget to click on that subscribe button and hit that bell button. I have already moisturized my skin, and for my primer I'm using my absolute favorite Colorbar Primer, and I'm applying it all over my face and massaging it into my skin. I'm also applying the same primer around my eyes. I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base to further prime my eyes and hide the discoloration on my lid. And setting it with a compact powder. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette is adorable. Using the shade Silk Cream, I'm patting it all over my lids, and then using the shade Creamsicle, I'm placing it on in the crease and above the crease area and blending it really nicely. Take your time in blending each eyeshadow really nicely. Be patient. Now moving on to the shade Hunts, I'm placing it exactly in my crease and outer V area and blending it nicely with all other eyeshadows. I have taken good amount of time in blending each eyeshadows, so be patient at that time and just blend eyeshadows till the time you are happy with it. Now I'm taking the color Jax and Chip on a flat eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm first placing these colors on the outer corners of my eyes and creating a V out of them. Don't worry about the mess, we'll clean it up afterwards. And then with no more product on my brush, I'm just blending these two colors in my crease area. I will mention all the details about the brushes I have used in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. Also, now to blend all the eyeshadows together, I'm going back to my big fluffy brush and I'm just blending all the shades into each other. To further deepen my outer corners, I have used the shade Central Park on the same brush, and I'm depositing it in the outer V of my eyes and blending it inwards in my crease. Once I'm happy with everything, I'm using the Colourpop concealer in shade Light to cut my crease area. I absolutely love this concealer. If you are following my tutorials from past some time, then we will know that this is my favorite concealer for the time. The technique I used while doing a cut crease is I first mark the highest point till what I want the cut line is, and then I carve out my eyes using small strokes. You need to set this concealed area, so you can use any powder or any white eyeshadows in order to set it properly. After that, I am going in with the shade Royalty and I am placing it in the center of my eyes. I really like this palette. The shade I found that these shades, the blue tones, are not that pigmented, but you can definitely build them up. So I have put on 2 to 3 layers of these in order to get the shade which I actually want. Next, I have used the shade Twerk for the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm patting it on my lids using a flat eyeshadow application brush, and at the same time I'm blending it with the shade Royalty so that there is a smooth transition and there are no harsh lines. For glitter, I'm using the Dazzilize Pressed Glitter palette, and I'm going to use this purple shade in the center, and using the NYX eyeshadow primer I'm going to pat it only onto the center part of my eyes. I absolutely loved how it looked on the eyes. So we are done with our eye, and I'm using a wet wipe in order to clean up all the areas. I have completed the rest of my face off camera, and for my lower lash line I'm using a kohl pencil and lining my waterline and upper lash line. Next, using the same eyeshadows which I have used in my crease area, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Using the shade in light, I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corners. For my eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Liquid liner. This is a very good liner whenever we are working with glitters, as it glides on really smoothly. So this completes our look. I have also added falsies. If you like this look, then do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.